Good day, everyone. So today we will have another tutorial. And for today's tutorial, we will have the solution or the best way on how to see Bartleby solution for free. So here's what are we going to do. First, let's go to the Bartleby. And then as you can see, I already searched a question related to science. So it's all about buoyant force. Now, based on the Bartleby, they have the solution to my problem. However, the expert solution is blurred. So in order for me to see the step-by-step process, I need to subscribe on their website. Base here, start your trial now. First week only $4.99. So I will be teaching you the best way on how to see the solution from Bartleby for free. Okay, so in order for us to do that, let's go to the new tab, click new tab, and then search Home Workify, and then click enter. So this is the logo of the Home Workify that we are going to use. So just simply click this uh, Home Workify. And then after that, in order for us to see the solution, based here, paste your question link here. So we are going to copy the link of the question that we have from Bartleby. Just Control C, copy the link, and then go back to the Home Workify and then paste it here. Okay. And then search. Now let's search for it. And base here, we have solution for your question. So let's click I'm not a robot. And so this is an update from Home Workify wherein you are going to insert your email address. So just make sure the email address is the one that you can access, because this is where the Home Workify will send their solution, okay, the solution link. So make sure that you can open the email. Once you already type your email, kindly type the captcha. Make sure you copy the captcha correctly for verification purposes that you are a human. Okay, so let's click submit. And then one moment, it's verifying. Once you already verified, base here, check your email inbox for verification link. Or if you can't see it in your email inbox, just check on updates, spam, or junk folder. Kindly look on those folder. Now let's go now to our Gmail. Again, make sure that you can access your email, because this is where the Home Workify will send the link for the solution. So here, let me look at the, okay. So access for your Home Workify, search request. So now, dear user, this is a single-use link to access the solution you requested on the website. Copy this link and open it in the same browser you used to search on Home Workify. Otherwise, the link will not work. Okay, so just simply copy the link or just simply click the link, and then we will go to the new tab for the solution. Let's go. Okay, and now this is now the solution to our problem. So we already opened the step-by-step solution from Bartleby using the Home Workify. This one, the step 1 and the step 2. Okay, and we have here the step 3 and so on until the final answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel.